Hezekiah Lord Hosmer was a lawyer, judge, journalist, and author. Biography. Hosmer was born into a prominent family. His grandfather Titus Hosmer signed the Articles of Confederation for Connecticut. His uncle Stephen Hosmer was Chief Justice of the Connecticut Supreme Court. His father, Hezekiah Lord Hosmer, was a U.S. representative from New York who died 6 months before Hosmer's birth. Hosmer started studying law in Cleveland, Ohio at the age of 16. At 22, he moved west to the Maumee Valley of Ohio. From 1848 to 1854 he was the editor of the Toledo Blade newspaper. After serving as secretary to the Committee of Territories of the U.S. House of Representatives, Hosmer was appointed first Chief Justice of the Montana Territory Supreme Court in 1864 by President Abraham Lincoln, serving until 1868. From 1869 to 1872, he was the postmaster in Virginia City. He then moved to San Francisco, California, and remained there until his death. Hosmer was active in Freemasonry for most of his life. While in Toledo he was master of a lodge and held offices on the state level, serving as Deputy Grand Master of the Grand Lodge of Ohio. In Montana he was the first Master of Montana Lodge No. 2 and served several terms as the Grand Secretary of the Montana Head Lodge. At his death he had for 10 years been the Grand Prelate of the Grand Commander of California. Hosmer was one of the original incorporators of the Montana Historical Society and was its first historian. Works. Hosmer authored a number of works on various subjects: a history, early history of the Maumee Valley, an anti-slavery novel, Adela, the Octoroon, and Bacon and Shakespeare in the Sonnets. Family. He was married 4 times, to Sarah E. Seward, Jane Eliza Thompson, and Mary Daniels B. July 8, 1818 in Abergavenny, Monmouth, Wales, married Sept. 12, 1849, with whom he had 3 children. His son John Allen Hosmer self-published a travel narrative, A Trip to the States, by way of the Yellowstone and Missouri in Virginia City in 1867. It was the first such book published in the Montana Territory. Hosmer's wife Mary died April 30, 1858 and is buried in Collingwood Cemetery in Toledo, Ohio. In August 1864 in Philadelphia he married his 4th wife, Sally Cotney B. May 22, 1842, who survived him.